people being themselves, showing their individuality.
We're going to explore the body as a canvas.
I'm interested in ideas of alternative beauty and pushing our boundaries of positive body image.
I think the bravest thing you can do is not care about what other people are saying around you and just be you.
My ritual starts with fresh. There are no secrets or magic.
Banish the black, burn the blue, and bury the dead.
Is it extraordinary or extraordinary?
Watch me, watch me, watch me do this. You see me dancing like I'm Elvis. Just tell your man that it's all in the pelvis. Look, watch me, watch me, watch me.
That's what they got when we come around. This is your time when we want it now. How big is your army? $100. If you want the rain, then we coming down.